Developed for the United States Customs and Border Protection Agency in 2019, the G47 Gen 5 MOS has quickly become a great alternative to the G17 Gen 5 MOS. Offering the same reliability and sporting a shorter dust cover, the G47 is a Gen 5 duty weapon that gets the job done every single time. This model is going to be chambering 9mm rounds and has a barrel length of 4.49 inches. The mag is double stacked 17+1 capacity, but it has an extended option up to 33 rounds. And the weight with the fully loaded mag is 34.29 ounces. Be sure to visit our website to view this model and others like it, and comment below what your favorite Gen 5 model is. And as always, gear up, stay safe, and get home.